Thutha wa ndũgamano ya ihinda gatagati ga thirikari nene na ruhonge rwa magoti bururi-ini, kuria magoti makoretwo magiukirirwo na njira nene kumana na uria makoretwo magitwarithia macira matiganite makiria makonainie na ciiko cia ngukumio bururi-ini. Munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Ruto ni ahiukite kuhorohia ndũgamano ino yothe. Akiaria hindi ya igongona ria mathiko ma Profesa Abel Mugenda na uria ni muthuri wa kamishna wa kamiti ya kuramata mirutire-ini ya magoti JSC Profesa Olive Mugenda, Ruto augite akenya undu umwe na thirikari mari na mwihoko na magoti bururi-ini hari gutuithania macira maria mamakonie.
We have confidence in our judicial arm of government, and it is the expectation of all Kenyans that the judiciary will discharge their responsibility in accordance with the mandate given to them in the Constitution.
Jitokano gatagati ka honge icigire thirikari ni onekire gukorwo ihiriirie makiria hindi ya kuhitithio kwa murugamiriri munene wa kamiti ya kuhurana na ngukumio bururi-ini EACC. Munene wa watho Kihara Kariuki na mucirithania munene David Maraga magiikaniria Miario maitho-ini ma bururi gitumi kinene aria macira matiganite ma ngukumio makoretwo magituithanio.
It cannot be right that the agencies responsible for investigation are prevented from doing what the Constitution and the rule of law requires them to do.
If for one reason you think it's a case which you are not going to win, if you bring it, you know the result. It will be dismissed because if you yourself are not convinced that it will succeed, what would you expect?
Mutongoria wa bururi Uhuru Kenyatta na kererega gukirira ruhonge rwa magoti hindi ya muthi wa gukunguira wiyathi, akirukuruhania na kuhotomia bara ya ungumania bururi-ini kumana na uheani wa bodi kuri ekwirwo. Maya magithiaga na mbere murugamiriri wa ukuria na waki wa mabarabara gitaro-ini kia Afrika Raila Odinga atinda kaunti-ini ya Kisumu, kuria ateterithitie bata wa uiguano gatagati gake na President Kenyatta.
Tumepigana ya kutosha. Tunataka kumaliza haya, turudisha Kenya pale tulipoanza. Tumalize ukabila. Tumalize ubaguzi. Tumalize wizi. Ufisadi.
Girivotera Kameme TV. Jitagwo Mwaura wa Gunya.